Hello everyone, my name is MD Sarkan. I am a student of Electrical Electronics Engineering in the New Horizon College of Engineering College, and this is our final semester project that is solar based hybrid energy efficient SLBLDC motor for agriculture, and this is the explanatory video for the same to show the working. So this is the entire setup. As per our block diagram, we have the MPPT and charge control unit, we have the RTC and water level control unit, BLDC motor control unit. So now we can see here. So first we will explain about our MPPT and charge control unit. So now here we can see this is an Arduino Uno Microcontroller here, and here is the boost converter circuit, and we have an added feature of push button that we press, so it will display with this voltage, additional voltage sensor, it will display the voltage level of the battery that we have connected, and this is the output terminal in order to charge the battery or anything load we want to connect. As these solar panels are not that much efficient, we are not going to directly operate any load with this. Now we can see it will continuously track the voltage and current using this ACS 712 current sensor and the voltage sensor that we have designed, and correspondingly power will be shown. And as per the algorithm that we have set, that is incremental conductance algorithm for MPPT, so that is given in this Arduino Uno itself. And here, as I told, we have an added feature. So once I press the push button, this push button, so what will happen, the battery voltage level will be displayed, so we can see, so for 1 second it will display. So that's about the MPPT module, and now we'll move to RTC and BLDC motor control module. So coming to the RTC and water level and BLDC motor control units. Here this is the RTC, so we can see this is the water level indicator module that we have designed. This is the level indicator, and here we can see those transistors that will check for water level and will give the data to this Arduino Uno again, and this Arduino Uno will operate these relays in order to operate both BLDC motor and this solenoid valve. So now we'll see the working. I am using, as we told, that it's a hybrid system, so we are using solar that is used for battery charging, and also using the AC adapter from home, like in home we can charge the battery, and also using this AC adapter we can directly give the supply to our module. Okay, so now I'll just connect this here, switch on our RTC. Now we have set the time 5:10 for pumping the water and 7:10 in order to irrigate the water. So let us set the time using these push buttons. So I'll keep pressing this, and now it will show here. So now what we'll do, we'll change the time 3, 4, 5, and again, so 5:10 will set. So this is as per code we have done 5:10 only. So now it is checking for water level condition. See, so tank is empty, so it is telling to start the motor. See, and automatically from Arduino, this BLDC motor control that you are using Arduino Nano, so automatically is telling to run the motor. As there is no water, so what is happening, it's telling that tank is empty. But if there is some water in the tank, will fill manually as of now. So water level is now 25, only one LED is glowing. We'll make 100%. So what happens when it is 100%, so it will stop that, it stops the relays to operate the BLDC motor, because there is full water, so there is no need to operate the motor. Now let us just hold like this so that the water level is 0 again. Okay, so we can see, so tank is empty, it is showing. Now what we'll do, we'll show how this Arduino with this Nano we are controlling the speed. We can see first it tells to BLDC is on, but wait for calibration. So calibration done, then we can do the speed control. See, speed is decreasing, you can see, and finally we'll make it to 0, so it will off. So that's about the BLDC motor that is using microcontroller. Now let us move towards 710 for water irrigation, right? So we'll again change the time. It's showing 100%, right? We can see 100%. So if there is water, obviously it will irrigate. This solenoid valve will operate and it will irrigate the water. We can see, right? We can see the water level is still 100%. Now let us just remove from this. So let us make it. So now we can see tank, it's showing tank is empty, so obviously it will not operate, so the solenoid valve is not on. And if there is at least 25% water, I'll put this again, so we can see. So this relay is operating. So that's about the entire module and the working of this entire setup. So as I told that we have manual control also for both solenoid valve and BLDC motor. So the BLDC motor we can even connect with the, see this, as per the RTC module time set, it will turn on this Arduino, or else we manually also we can turn on this Arduino here, and we can operate using this, and again using this servo tester. Mainly using manually means servo tester only will use. So now let us first show solenoid valve. So I'll turn on this switch. See, water started pouring. I'll turn off the switch. See, this is for manual control. Now see here, it's in microcontrol position. Okay, so I'll make it up. So now if I give supply to the motor, so you can see servo tester is on, so it will calibrate for some time. Okay, now we can, and we can see that water is going through this pipe. See, so this is for manual control. So we can see water is filling. So that's about the working of our model. And here we can see all the arrangement that I have made. It's with a screw. So screw bolt we can just untie, and we can, so here also we can see this LCD display. We can just untie it, and we can remove from this, unplug, and even this MPPT, everything, this complete panel will come if we untie this module. This is the MPPT module that we have planned on this solar panel, so that also if you untie this, and it will come out. Like similarly here, this switchboard, and even this one, this BLDC control unit, and even this pump arrangement, everything we have put with the help of screws. So we are not like directly pasting everything. We have the module separately, and then we are making with the screw arrangement.